guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I blow dry my curly hair. And I'm going to start off with wet hair and put in a leave-in conditioner. And this is the Organix Moroccan and Argan Creme leave-in conditioner spray. As you can see, I kind of had a little bit of trouble getting this product out because it's kind of a thick product, but go ahead and give it a few pumps and it should come out nicely. All I do is spray mostly at the ends of my hair and I just rub it in. It helps to moisturize any of my dry ends or split ends so that way they come out softer for me to blow dry. Next, I'm going to put in a serum, and this is the Organix Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum. And this has really helped me throughout the years. I just focus it on the ends of my hair, and I feel like it really protects the ends from splitting. And of course, before adding any heat to my hair, I add a heat protectant. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray. This is the same one that I used in my curly hair routine. And once again, I'm just going to focus this more at the ends of my hair to protect my ends from splitting. But I'm also going to spray it a little bit throughout the rest of my hair. Then I'm just going to brush my hair with a regular paddle brush to get any tangles out of my hair. Then I'm going to be blow drying my hair in 3 different sections. I'm going to do a bottom section, a middle section, and the top section. So I'm going to go ahead and separate the bottom section out first. Then I'm going to split the bottom section into 2 separate sections. To blow dry my hair, I use a round bristled brush and my Revlon hair dryer. Then I'm going to take my bristled brush, put it at the top of my hair, and curl outwards. If my hair is too wet, sometimes I will go through with the blow dryer and just kind of blow dry it really quick just to try to dry it quicker. But it doesn't make my hair curl because you want to avoid making your hair curl at any time so that way it doesn't end up frizzy. I'm going to fast forward this part for you guys, but just a quick walkthrough of what I'm doing. Like I said before, I'm going to put the bristled brush at the top of my hair and curl outwards. And I'm going to do this process throughout the whole entire head. For the pieces of hair that frame your face, all you're going to do is do the same process and just blow dry away from your face. Real quick, I like to go through and blow dry the roots of my hair to add volume and to dry up any pieces that were still wet. Last step is to add in a shine spray, and this is the Tresemme Smooth and Silky Shine Spray. Go through with a quick brush and you are done. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye guys!